Let's try to solve a problem that involves an inverse hyperbolic function. In this case, we don't immediately have an integrand that we know the integral of. So let's try to rewrite it. First, we want to get the expression so that the constant under the radical in the denominator is equal to 1. We can accomplish this by removing the square root of 9. So we get the integral of 1 over the square root of 9 times e to the x over the square root of 1 plus e to the 2x over 9 dx. Let's simplify and slightly rewrite the denominator. We can rewrite this as 1/3 times the integral of e to the x over the square root of 1 plus the quantity e to the x over 3 squared dx. Notice that under the radical we have 1 plus a squared term. So, to get the integrand in the correct form, let's let u equal e to the x over 3. Differentiating, we get du is equal to e to the x over 3 dx. Substituting, we get the integral of 1 over the square root of 1 plus u squared du. Notice that our integral is now in the form of a known integral. We can integrate to get the inverse hyperbolic sine of u plus c. Finally, we substitute our own expression for u back into the expression. Therefore, the given integral is equal to the inverse hyperbolic sine of the quantity e to the x over 3 plus c.